Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and our today video is about adjoint of a matrix. We will also explain what are determinants of a matrix, what is a singular and non-singular matrix, and how to find the inverse of a matrix. Let's begin with adjoint of a matrix. For example, we have a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the adjoint of this matrix will be if we replace these diagonal terms and change the signs of these diagonal terms, then we will have a new matrix, and that matrix will be known as adjoint of A. For example, we have replaced this 1 with 4, so we have 4 here, and we replace this 4 with 1, so we have 4, 1, and we just change the sign of minus, and we just changed the signs of 2 and 3, so we have minus 2, minus 3. Now for example, if we have a matrix is equal to A, B, C, D, then we replace A with D, so we have DA, and we change the sign of B and C, so we have minus B, minus C. So this new matrix is known as adjoint of matrix A. Now how to find the determinants of this matrix? Determinants are simple. We multiply 1 with 4, then we place a subtract sign, and then we multiply the second diagonal terms 3 with 2. So the determinants of A is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 minus into 2 multiplied by 3. Here you can see if we multiply A with D, then we place a minus sign, and then we multiply B with C, then we will have determinants of matrix A is equal to AD minus BC. So AD minus BC. Now here if we multiply 1 with 4, then we will have 4 on this side, and if we multiply 3 with 2, we will have 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 6. This minus sign stays here. So minus 6 plus 4 is equal to minus 2, and determinants of this matrix will be equal to minus 2. Now what is a singular and non-singular matrix? If the determinants of a matrix are equal to 0, then we can say this is a singular matrix. And if the determinant of a matrix is a non-zero term, like here we find the determinant are equal to minus 2, so this is a non-singular matrix. Now let's find the inverse of matrix A. The inverse of any matrix is equal to adjoint of that matrix divided by determinants of that matrix, and here we have find that the determinants of this matrix are equal to minus 2, so we have 1 over minus 2 into adjoint of matrix A, and the adjoint of matrix A is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1. We have find the adjoint here in the first slide. So we have 4 minus 2 minus 3 into 1. Now we are going to multiply this 1 over minus 2 term with every element of this matrix. If we multiply 4 with 1 over minus 2, then we will have 4 divided by minus 2, minus 2 divided by minus 2, minus 3 divided by minus 2, and we will have, we multiply this 1 with 1 over minus 2, we will have 1 over minus 2. Now dividing 4 by minus 2, we will have minus 2. And this minus and minus sign will cancel out, this 2 will cancel out with this 2, and we will have just 1 here. And this minus sign will cancel out with this minus, and we will have 3 by 2 only, and this will become minus 1 over 2. So the inverse of matrix A is equal to minus 2, 1, 3 by 2, minus 1 over 2. This is the inverse of matrix A, and the inverse of any matrix is equal to adjoint of that matrix divided by determinants of that matrix. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.